Okay, so let us discuss, the surface area of a space figure or a solid figure. Do you hear me na po? Do you hear me na? All right. Okay, so let us start. So we will discuss the surface area of a solid figure. Okay, so let's start with the definition. When you say surface area, okay, ayan. So, surface identified as the uh, space needed to wrap a solid figure. For example, ayan. So, surface area is a total area of the surface of three-dimensional object. So, every solid figure has a total surface, no? So, for example, a cylinder, it has a total surface wherein you can see uh, be around the surface area of the cylinder. Okay? So, how to compute a surface area of a solid figure? So, for example, Anna wraps her gifts for Elsa. The measure of the edge of a cube is 10 inches. Okay, she does not have extra paper, so she does not overlap any of the edges. So how much paper was used to cover Anna's gift? So for her to identify how much paper she needs to cover the gift, she need to compute the total surface area of the cube. Okay? So what is a formula to get the total surface of a cube? So the formula for that is this one. So surface area is equal to 6s squared. Do you see my screen na po? Okay. So it means all you have to do is to multiply 6 to the squared of the side of your cube. So for example, this is your cube. The first cube measured 6 centimeter each side. Okay? So each side measures 6 centimeter. So applying the formula, no? So SA is equal to 6. Okay? Equals, bring down this one, the 6. Okay? And then multiply because 6S means 6 times S. Okay? S is 6 centimeter. So it means 6 centimeter will be squared. Right? Can you follow? Yun eh? Okay, now, let us multiply, continue. So, 6 multiplied by 6 squared is what? 6 squared is what? Yun eh? 6 times 6, that is, this one is equal to, alright, 36. Very good. And then, if you're going to multiply them, 36 times 6, so it will become what? 36 times 6, so it will become 6 times 6 is 36. So 6 here, carry 3. And then 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3, so that is 21. So it means the answer is 216, this one, centimeter squared. So that is the total surface of a cube having 6 centimeter side. You got it? You know? You get it? Okay, now let us solve how much paper did Anna uh, need to cover her gift. According to the problem, the measure of her gift is 10 inches. Diba? 10 inches each side. And that is a cube. So if that is a cube and it has 10 inches measurement, what will be the total surface area? Yun na? Alright. Do you hear me? Okay. So if a cube having 10 inches, 10 inches side, what will be the total surface of that? If that is 10 inches, it means that would be 6 times what? 6s squared eh. So 6 times s is 10 inches. So 10 squared. Or what is the squared of 10? So 6 times what? 10 squared is equal to? Alright. 100. And 6 times 100 is equivalent to 600. Like that. Okay? Oh, can you follow? Alright. So 6 times 100 is 600. So it means your answer is the answer for the Anna's problem is 600 inches squared. So she needs 600 inches squared paper size. Okay. So if how much is that? So she will convert it lang to the size of the paper. Okay. Oh, you got it, Yuna? You Okay, so let's have the next example. So let's see. What if the measurement of your cube is 8 inches? So, 8 centimeter. So, what will be your surface area? So, if you're going to compute again, it will become, if the side is 8 centimeter, so you will compute again 6 times s squared. So, it will become 6 times 8 squared, like that. So 6 times 8 squared is 64, right? So 6 times 64. So the answer for that is this one, the 384 centimeter squared. Don't forget to write your measuring unit. Okay, Yuna? You got it? Yuna? Did you get our examples? Okay. Can you try? What if your side of a cube is 12 centimeter? What will be your surface area? Can you try it, Yuna? What do you think will be the surface area using this formula if the S is equal to 12? Can you try it? What will be your surface area, if ever? Okay. 12 times 8? Where did you get 8? No, 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 no. This one. This is the given 12. And you will use this formula, 6s squared. So it means your s is equal to 12. It looks like this one, Our formula is s squared, 6x squared. So it means if you're going to change the value of s into 12, it will become 6 times 12 squared. 12 squared. So what will be your surface area if that is the value of your cube? 6 times 12 squared is what? What is 12 squared po ba? Yun na? What is 12 squared? When you say squared, multiply by itself lang, right? So it means 12 times 12. What is your 12 times 12? Mm-hmm. Okay, so that is 144. So it means 12 times 12 or 12 squared is 144. If that is 144, if that is 144, it means you will multiply it to 6 pa because we have 6 here. 6 times 144. Or what will be your final answer? If you're going to multiply 144 to 6, what will be your final answer? Yun na. Okay. Wait. 6 lang po. 144 times 6. 144 times 6 only. It means this is enough na. Because 6 times 4, 6 times 4, and 6 times 1 lang, right? So what is your answer? Your answer is that 8? 864? Am I right? Yun na? Okay, so that is 864. What will be your measuring unit? So 864. The given is centimeter. So it means, all right, very good. 864 centimeter squared. Okay, always remember that. Okay, always put the measuring unit. Do you have any question in getting the surface area of a cube? Yan na. Do you have any questions sa cube? Nine. All right. So don't forget the formula ha. 6s squared. Just multiply lang 6, then the square of the side. Next, we have the what we call sphere. Okay. So we have the sphere. A Christmas ball has a radius 11 centimeter. If its surface area is to be filled with the glitters, how much area will be covered with glitters? So, using the formula of a sphere, kasi balls is like a sphere, 4 pi r squared, right? So, this is the formula for the surface area of a sphere. We have the surface area is equivalent to 4 pi r squared. And all we have to use is the radius lang. So we need the value of the radius lang. So what if your radius is 6 centimeter? So how will you substitute? Look at this given, yun na. I will show you how they got 452.16 centimeters square. Do you see the screen? Okay, so let's write the 4. What is the value again of pi, yun na? Do you remember? What is the value again of pi? Very good. That is 3.14. So it means 3 pi is equal to 3 times 3.14. And then if your radius is 6 centimeter, it means you will square the 6. So multiply again the square of 6. Okay? So you will multiply the square of 6. So because 6 is our radius. Okay? Ayan, nag-notify na si Zoom. Alright, so let's write lang 6 squared. Okay, then 6 squared is 36. Ayan. So, let's write lang. And then, multiply the 3.14 and then the 4. Okay? After you multiply the 3.14, you can now multiply the answer to 4 and you will get 452.16 centimeters square. Okay, yun na? You get it? You get it? Okay, so let's have more example later. Okay, so let's have a 3-minute break po muna. Okay? Okay, so see you in 3 minutes. Yun na. Okay, end ko lang po. Then call ulit kita later.